Yeah, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop for Friday, August the 27th. Working back on the indexer I'm making for the shop here. And I'm going to throw little chips this morning. And I don't do this very often because I am so slow. The videos get too long. But we're going to try to go through this. And I was trying to use my iPhone, which I can actually pause. But this Android phone here, it's a dinosaur. Don't have all the functions. Alright guys, this is the fixture setup here. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit here. This is, I've already laid out yesterday in the video. You'll see it's got the hexagon and then the octagon lines laid out below. We've got the DRO set up here for the depth and cuts. And this is the first time the Wilton 11702 has been used since Father's Day that I got it. I am dying to try it out. I had to go ahead and raise up the column mill yesterday, which that's another project. I'm going to make it where I can power it up and down and not have to retrim the twist in the head. Let's put some safety glasses on and let's start doing some cuts, and then we're going to see how it turns over on the 45 and sets up with it, and we'll make some light cuts. So let's start throwing some chips here. Beautiful day in Texas. I think it's about a 10. I'm going to manually do this at first. Vise seems to be doing just super. Put us a little oil on here. About a 22 thousandths cut. Maybe a little aggressive. Like having fun in shop. We're going to go ahead and let's turn the power feed on. $2 a can, can't beat it. Dollar General. Alright. No smoke, no set, no fuss. Let's take a little gander here. The chip guard here has been working out real well. Any of you guys need one sewn up or something, you know, I could make a little extra funds if you like this chip. You know, right now it shows that we still got a little depth to cut, but I'm going to go ahead and for the sake of the video, I'll come back to this. Let's go to 45. See how well this thing does. Come on, booger. Oops, guess what? First time to use this thing, I guess I better undo the right bolts. Good thing this thing's going on without editing. They sure are nice vise, well built. Well, that didn't work very good. Alright, back to square one. I've got to get used to this vise. I can see that right now. Get over there. Let's zoom back here a minute. Realistic videos are always fun. Loosened the wrong bolt now, got to re-level it. And it's a Friday, what can I say? Alright, we'll come back this afternoon. We'll mill that one, we'll go to 45, and then we'll reshoot another part 2, or it would be actually part 3 of bits and pieces around the shop. I wanted to really show you this Wilton vise though. And man, I tell you what, it's not a learning curve, it's just, we've got all kinds of functions. This will be able to roll over on the 45. I tell you what, I'll go ahead. Let's see real quick here. I found that this, out of an instrument, builder's level works really good. Well, it went right back to its stops. And I won't trust it, but at least I wanted to show you how it does roll. Three axes. Now I can see where I'm going to have to end up with a ratchet. Here's where I need one of Randy's knockers. I guess I ought to buy one from him here. Isn't that right, Randy? Randy over there at his shop making those knockers. I really like that. Couldn't have come up with a better name either. Alright. Well, not enough, because that's That's a hexagon, and that thing would have to go all the way down, and I'm out of roll here, but you can see how it would work, you know, going 45, and then it does tip axis here and has a swivel base. I'm gonna go ahead and put this video out, even though I make mistakes, we all do, and then we all go back and laugh at them later on when we're sitting around the Christmas or Thanksgiving table with the grandkids. Oh, speaking of grandkids, number 11, being born hopefully right now. She went in at 5 this morning, and it's Felix. No, heck, I forgot. Yesterday my son corrected me, but anyhow, the wife will correct me. It's not Felix, it's close to that. But that will make 11 grandkids and 1 great grandson, which we have never seen, but we'd love to see someday. So y'all like this video, thumbs up please, share, put them comments down below, and we'll learn this vise. Yeah, I thought this was going to be good to put on video, but yesterday I did real nice. We bored out the inside here, if you can see, and that's where it gets that bushing for from 2 inch to 1.5 inches, and then also that on the back side has the 3/4. I can't get it in here right now, but this would go right on through, and I'll have set screws. Probably going to have 2 180 apart, and then these here, that way I can lock the 3/4 shaft on the back and make a fixture. And of course it won't be this long, but I'll make a stand that'll mount onto the table that will be adjustable in increments up and down, and use the machinist jack too underneath here, or some you know, 1, 2, 3 blocks. But gonna do it right. Gonna have to take off probably about 18 thousandths off this. It's gonna be, I don't want to bore that true hole, because it is true, and this shaft of cold roll here, it's not perfect, but it's gonna be plenty stout. All right, hope you like this longer video, and please, like I say, share, come back, and have a safe, great weekend. Bear's Rod Shop, we're out of here.